Hey everyone, Jeff here with Restoration ERP and showing you a quick sneak peek of our ERP CoPilot, not only helping you how to learn how to sell disaster preparedness plans, but actually helping you build them in real time in the matter of seconds. We can use our ERP CoPilot as a business continuity disaster preparedness advisor on helping us build very specific procedures, protocols, templates that we can actually attach to the plans for our commercial client in the matter of seconds. So I have one easy prompt here to ask our ERP CoPilot to help us build property specific scenarios on how they're going to handle them, how we're going to handle them, and then specific to a hotel right here. And we're going to be able to use this here to actually copy this information and then add it to, say, Google Doc, download it, and upload it right to their plan. So in a matter of seconds, we can work to get a general outline of what it's gonna look like to have this procedure and protocol in place. And we can do this live on site during our ERP meeting walkthrough with the commercial client. And as we teach and go through this is going to be part of our Commercial Sales Accelerator program. We have an entire outline and database on doing the walkthrough and using ERP CoPilot to actually build this information for you. So here's another one that we can give as another quick example, right? What are the communication protocols that should be followed in the event of, a specific type of damage? So in here, say we want to do water damage. And this is what we can do with the client, and we can do it live. And then we can just copy this information, download it as a Google Doc, and then upload it to their plan. So now not only are you documenting their building and the shutoffs and obviously gathering floor plans, we're now actually adding in information to their plan that otherwise would be very cumbersome, very difficult, and at least gives us a starting point on what we can do for adding in additional protocols and procedures to their existing plan that's highly specific and that no one else is able to do. So here's just a quick snapshot of some of the capabilities of the ERP CoPilot and the future of our Commercial Sales Accelerator program.